This is a 2020 Cadillac XT6 small SUV. I'm going to show you how to reset the oil light. It's fairly simple, similar on other Chevy products. What you're going to want to do is use this little scroll wheel here, and you'll scroll down from wherever you're at, up or down, it doesn't matter. And you'll go there. This one's already been reset, but all you'll do is you'll hold it down for approximately 3 to 5 seconds, and you'll hear it beep to confirm, and it'll change to 100% from wherever it's at. Now, if you're not seeing this on here, what you'll need to do is use the right arrow and you'll scroll, and it's going to stop there for a second because it wants to tell you about the navigation. You'll scroll till you get to settings, and you'll go to info page options. You'll press this button in, and if this does not have a green check mark on it like that, it's not going to be showing. So all you'll have to do is just hit that check mark, go back over to settings, and it'll be showing in there. And that's all you have to do.